Oh, you did the eyedropper tool on your nipple.
Yeah, exactly.
Chibli, I'm gonna increase your volume so that your volume is at 69.
Oh,
Beautiful.
wait, that's turning it down, no? Oh wait,
No,
it's going
everyone
up.
is at 0.5.
Oh shit.
Oh, you can adjust your eyes independently.
What?
Really?
Yeah.
What do you mean by that?
Can we change
Like,
our
you can
color
adjust
to be
left eye and
yellow
right
so that we can be minions together?
Sure.
Oh my god, you already did it.
What the?
Where do you do that?
How'd you get a whistle?
Camera.
I want a freaking whistle, dude. I can be like Arthur Morgan when he calls his horse in Red Dead Redemption.
You're obsessed with Red Dead now, huh?
Enhanced
I
bird.
just love that game, man. It's the good
Where do you change your
It's
color?
a good one. Game.
I don't know.
Really
I'm
good
just
game.
looking at the keys.
If you can hear me, we're collabing with.
Control.
What about a nice brown?
How'd you change your skin?
Press G and then click the customize appearance button.
I don't know how to mute myself in this game, so I'm just donut-walling by whispering. I don't think it's working.
Well, you have to say everything to us, you song. I'm
I don't
sorry,
think it's
buddy.
working at all. Okay, that's okay.
We're gonna hear every goddamn thing you say.
Oh my
Hey, it's
god, why
about-
are they so expensive?
I know.
Dude,
I
I'm
was
too
trying to
broke.
flex
I
on
can't buy
everyone by
crap.
buying a hat, but I couldn't afford it.
Oh!
Wait, we're gonna.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
I watched you
What the hell just
change.
happened, man?
You look so sad.
I'm scary. No, I'm just so happy that I'm looking at birds.
You look so sad.
Oh, I've been looking at birds all day. I'm just. Oh. Oh wow.
Oh, I need money for
You
a
look
shirt.
fucked up, bro. You okay?
I'm
Do you need
tired.
to take you to the emergency room? Nah, that's how your eyes get after you've been opping all day. One eye on the
100%,
scope, bro. One eye on the
100%.
scope. Yeah.
What's wrong with Ryan's eyes? Look at his eyes.
All right.
Shall we?
So, what do
Yeah.
we do?
Wait, how did
I
you
think
guys
we
do
go into
whistle?
the main
though?
area.
How'd you do whistle?
Crazy.
Yeah, I don't know how
I
to
want
do
a
whistle
whistle.
either.
Maybe we gotta.
Wait, what does
we gotta
Ryan's
earn
look
a
like?
whistle. Maybe we gotta earn a whistle.
Yes. Gotta use my good eye.
But the birds
Damn.
are over here.
So what are we trying to do?
Okay.
Yeah.
It's Pokemon Snap with birds.
Follow
Oh,
the
it's like we're on a
Yes.
field trip. It's like we're on a field trip.
follow the teacher. The dog goes quack
I'm gonna go
quack.
to the customer service
Cows
desk and
go
say hello.
moo.
How are your eyes?
Okay, and then I don't know if the birds like actually get
Wait,
scared
wait,
when we
shut up!
talk.
There's a bird. Shut up!
Oh, I'm snapping.
Oh my god, I got it.
used all of my photos.
I got it.
Oh my god.
I just
How do I
snapped a
get
great
more
photo.
film?
And then you run
Is
it back
this-
and you get some money for it, right?
Yeah, it's Pokemon Snap rules, baby.
enabled shiny bird.
Shiny bird.
I found
the
mushroom cave.
Oh shit.
What?
Wait, Corey found the
Where?
freaking mushroom cave, bro.
Heard it. Oh, it's way up there. Okay, never mind.
Oh, can you develop your photos here?
Yeah, man. Dude, I'm
Oh, let's
fucking
go.
rich, man.
The best part of video games is when you get a grade.
Damn. And then immediately fucking blow that on something for sure, man.
Alone. What's the whole point of bird watching if you're just alone the whole time?
I'm gonna be the best at
Develop
this.
them at the boxes nearby.
I'm gonna be the best at this.
No! Oh my god, Ryan, you're
Whoa!
bad. You're bad. I'm kicking him out. I'm kicking him out, dude.
What's the
You know what
problem?
it means to
You
bird
scared the
watching?
swan away.
Bro, I'm literally looking at the fucking swan right now.
Oh my god. What?
Do they actually respond?
Key.
I think if you have a whistle,
Key, old
maybe.
man.
The zoom
You
only
have
goes to
be in the
2x on this, or
water.
4x on this shitty default camera. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. Oh! I'm fucking rich, bro.
Oh, I got a freaking picture of him looking away. Canada goose.
And then $800?
Dude, my photos are like so bad.
Oh my god. You can get better you can get better cameras. Oh, I gotta go get some better I'm not gonna flex on them yet though.
Oh, we can't even get enough power. But for
I love it. We bought this to play together, but fuck that, bro.
Dude, we can get $1,000. Dude, we can get $8,000 for amazing DSLR, and then we can get $50,000 golden
Econ.
camera.
Now we're talking.
I love that.
Oh, yeah.
Money.
We can't get
We're
in.
not
You
allowed
guys
in.
are so quiet. I can't turn you up for some
There's nothing
reason.
up. You have to
What the
like
hell?
buy your
Are
way
you
through
sure?
or something.
Shit, I got a fucking good one. Right down there.
You're on.
Bro, I'm being
I
flashed.
don't think
No,
you
no,
can
no,
be
no,
moved
no. I'm
flashy.
enabling the shot. I'm enabling
Okay,
the shot.
alright.
This is
Dude, there's
part of
Blue
the
Jay.
threat.
No, Ryan, you motherfucker.
I got mine.
Scaring the birds away.
I got mine.
Running around.
Blue Jay. I think I got it.
They're good. They're not gonna be happy that I played so much CS before this. I'm in the wrong fucking headspace, bro. Look at that fucking jump shot, though. 17? They're fucking trolling, bro.
No, no.
And then customize appearance.
I don't even have any photos left. I gotta go develop.
Hit him with something fucking crazy.
You think there's fall damage?
I got a good one. I got a good one.
I mean, I know we're streaming right now.
There's like a secret over there.
Develop it right here. Develop it right here. Right
Boom.
here.
Spend this all on, I should buy
20 stars from all players. I have 4 stars.
and I want my allies to succeed, so I'll buy some seed. Yo, sick trip, dude.
Yo.
Yo.
This shit cost me a rack, bro. It's Balenciaga.
I got one.
I spent my first rack on clothes. I'm gonna buy some seeds for my second rack.
Seeds.
Yeah.
To feed the birds.
Yeah,
Mary
I hear they
fucking
like
Pop-
that.
Oh, Mary fucking Poppins style. Did you get that one?
I did.
It pooped on you. It pooped on you, bro. It
took a
pooped on
shit
you.
on me,
you
bro.
son.
Did it actually shit on me? Do I have
It shit on you. It shit on you.
Did it shit on me?
It did shit on you.
Oh, you got poop on your head, Jib.
Wait, no, man. I gotta go home and change.
I
bro.
got a picture of it. Ooh, wait.
He literally has poop on him.
Man.
Above you, there's a bird up here. There's a bird. There's a blue jay above us.
Already got him. Already got mine.
Here. Oh my gosh, I got it.
Oh, I got a gold star.
Motherfucker, man.
I got another gold star.
Who's going around scaring all the damn birds?
You're doing that. You're
That's-
scaring all the birds.
How so? How so?
You've just been talking the whole time, which I know is our job, but you know we have to get the shot occasionally too.
All my photos are kind of small.
Shit. Do they really get angry? I got a shiny bird! Oh fuck!
What was
I don't know where to-
Did someone just crash a
I don't know
car?
where to put my seed.
You have seed.
I have
Yo,
seed.
yo,
I bought it on my head. Oh wait,
Oh,
I
here.
got the seed right
You
here.
song.
That's my seed. That's my seed.
Yusong, put your seed in my mouth.
Come on now.
That kind of show.
Buddy.
Glib.
I could be a bird bath. I could be a bird bath.
Don't be glib.
That's kind of disgusting.
I think we fucking creep up here, man.
What? The
You're
birds
gonna
would land
wake
on.
up to hear
Can you
that.
guys keep it
The
the
birds would land on my
fuck
face,
down?
and then they eat the seed out of my mouth.
Wait, true. Did you get 3 gold stars?
Yeah, dude.
Jesus. Oh well, I died to fall damage.
What? You can die?
There's full damage. Wait, I see legendary bridge. This is just like the Legend of Zelda.
All right, I've had my impulsive fun. Now it's time to lock in with the squad.
We need 5 more.
Wait,
5
hang
more
on,
stars.
come here.
Oh shit.
What? Okay.
Fuck you mean? You
That's
need
a great
1100
shot, man.
stars.
Bro, you're trying to get through Bowser's door.
I'm jumping. When you jump, I jump.
Okay, yeah,
The
yeah.
shit behind the waterfall.
Patience, bro.
One jump away.
Okay, okay. Where'd you
The
go?
back shot.
Go. Ah! Okay, I forgot to jump. bro,
Kimberly
I'm not gonna
died.
lie. But I got an achievement.
Need a better camera.
Where can you buy a better camera?
You need to get you need to
Open
get
it up,
breaded, bro. You need to get breaded.
And then customize appearances. And then on the top right, there's a camera tab, and you can spend money to buy cameras. You can buy.
Are there leaderboards?
5.
Oh, there's a woodpecker on the street.
Look at me. Look at me, Hector.
Yeah, I think you're really well.
Look at me. Guys, fucking chill.
Oh, I like this.
Right here.
Yeah. Oh,
Greatest shot of all time.
Small ass birds in the sky. Small ass birds in the sky.
Make a great shot.
I can fly twice.
Goose!
1 star. Guidebook star bonus, $200. Fuck yes. Fuck yes, bro. Holy shit, she got 3 stars. What the fuck?
Swan.
Favorite bird? Shoebill platypus.
$70.
Wait, I do have 30 stars. Did you guys get to a new biome yet?
I think it's a turkey vulture.
710 fucking stars, bro. Ostrich is pretty fucking cool. You're not lying. Yeah, just jump around everywhere. Scare the birds, man.
Oh my bad.
Blue Jay's right next to you. Turn to your right. Turn to your right. Turn to your right.
This is gonna be fucking huge. They're making so much noise.
Oh yeah. Do you want me to
So much noise, man.
land on your head, Kate? There's a bird on your head. I just took a picture of a blue jay.
Damn, this is kind of awesome.
Fucking now it flew away.
Oh shit, what the fuck's going on in there? Is that Grogu?
I got $4,700.
Holy shit. Well, apparently you can upgrade the zoom in the home base.
Oh, just the zoom?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm watching.
I'm clomping, they hate me.
This way. This way.
Oh.
What is that? Oh! The holy fucking grail?
Yeah, definitely.
Holy cow. Corey's so good.
Jib, can I ask you a sincere question? Tommy first started like doing collabs with people, like how
Camera.
for that?
Oh, his whistle. Yeah, guaranteed at least one bird.
Okay.
Oh, whoa!
Yeah, skibidi.
He tried to melee me. Okay, watch this.
That was good. That was good. That was good.
Alright, that's you.
He shit on you? No shot, bro. No shot, that's just my eye.
How many stars do we have? Okay.
Oh, thank you.
I have 39. Oh no, we share stars. We have 39 stars. What did I walk in on?
Well, how do I
Don't do it.
Male bonding.
Sorry.
how do I do the feet?
Furtive ass bird, bro.
Oh shit.
Hummingbird.
Can you
That's a fucking good one. That is a fucking good one right there.
You pooped. You pooped.
I,
2 birds in the same fucking photo.
It went through you. Shiny uncommon bird spawn, guys!
What?
A shiny
shiny
uncommon bird spawn!
I see goddamn goose.
Where is the shiny?
Okay, and then we have to get the rarest bird before anybody else.
We gotta get this shiny bird, chat.
Dude, where's the shiny uncommon?
What do we want?
That shit was fucking.
Are you hearing this shit?
I'm upstairs. They let you go upstairs now.
Oh shit! We can go up the stairs now.
Upstairs in the flower biome. I don't even know if
Oh yeah, my frames are going crazy.
Guys, fucking chill. There's like a million here.
Oh, shiny bird!
It's just. Oh fuck! No. Oh!
It flew away. Oh no, it's up in the tree.
Looks like this
I'm wasting all my pictures on
heaven,
this.
dude.
I know.
How's it going, yo?
There's no
Bad heaven, brother. We're gonna be dead. What the hell?
Ryan, I heard you got 2 birds in one photo. What are you, a stone?
Okay, that's pretty good. Yeah? How do you
That
feel
was
about
amazing, you
How do you
saw.
feel about this shit right here?
Yo, speak on that, King.
How you get that?
Cost me $3,000.
Oh, you look like a. I like that you're wearing a high vis vest for your so no one shoots you.
You like it
while
cost
you're
me a
bird
rack,
hunting-
bro.
while you're bird. Really, 1 grand for a high vis, bro? What the
It
hell?
is a
No
little
wonder construction
crazy.
workers get paid so much.
Bro, I didn't even care. Camera upgrade costed 1 rack. I spent that like it was nothing.
I don't even. Is it an upgrade or is it just a different color?
It's a
You can
zoom. You can
upgrade.
zoom further.
Oh shit!
Yeah, back at the
Yeah,
spawn.
yeah, yeah.
Back at the spawn.
I gotta get it from like.
You
doing all
can
the
do it in your inventory too, Chibli. I swear it to you.
Really? You can do the
I don't-
upgrades?
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can.
Customize appearance and then just buy a better camera.
No. This is different, dude. We're
No,
moving
no. It's different. It's different.
What the-
That's like, that's actually a cosmetic.
Awesome.
This is real
Awesome.
hardware. Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna go across the bridge.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, I'm gonna. Yeah. Oh.
Awesome. Now my camera's red.
Yeah. Okay. That was terrible.
And now I'm behind on economy, which means I'm never gonna catch up at this point.
Oh, there's a bird. Purple fish, kind of small.
Wait. Look at me, Hector.
Oh.
I just got legendary photos.
That's a fucking beautiful picture.
Bro. 30 photographs of the bird. Oh, I can see the front picture.
Yeah.
It's not beautiful enough.
Oh, I got too excited and I did all my photos on one bird. Humiliating.
Huge one right there on the left.
Huge one.
Oh shit. Good call.
Swamping around on the pitch while everyone's. I want to go up. Okay, so it turns out the second block.
Look at me.
Thing is
Look at me.
Fuck, I'm out of money, dude.
Fucking don't block the
Look
shot.
at you, bro.
Dude, the binoculars is.
Oh my god. It's good. Wait, let me see. Let me see.
The binoculars would be way better if they were a camera. There's like 10x zoom on them.
Is there? I hear a hummingbird again.
Downy woodpecker, Townsend's warbler.
you got seeds right now?
I already feel like I've lost the.
Yo, let's go.
Like, my
I'm gonna be real with you, Kate. I use so many seeds down there. I don't know if they do
Until they're all
anything.
gone.
You guys want
we have to-
you guys want a Calliope hummingbird? Yoo.
Isn't she
Yeah,
in
and I'll
Hollow
get a
Live?
varied thrush whistle.
Okay. You got the right audience for that joke.
Don't listen to me. Just perspective.
Is this one of this
You're too
biome?
close. You're too close.
I'm too close. Dude, I saw Giga getting face to face with a bird, and the bird didn't even like move. I was crouching too.
And you know what happened? I got face to face with that bird, took a picture, and they said, kind of small.
Okay, I actually have meta.
I had
You
a
have to
nickel.
quick scope, Ryan.
Yeah,
You
no,
have to
I've been
quickscope
trying. Like I've been using it as an op. I need to use it as a scout.
Oh.
No,
the
yeah,
framing
'cause you
on
can
this
get
photo is
action
You guys
shots.
are like hugging.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Ooh,
yeah.
shop right here.
It's called.
Okay,
It's called
someone's getting very close to the bird. I'm not gonna say who. I'm going in. I don't care. Don't stop until you're numb.
I only have $75.
I can't just be farming this one bird though.
It's a fucking sick
And then
shot.
run it back. Some good pictures in there.
Whoa! What the hell? Are you taking subs?
No.
You think
I'm trying to be quiet.
you taking subs over
Taking
here?
subs over here? Huh? You got a
No,
sicko
no,
pervert? You
no,
taking
no.
subs?
I would never do that. I'd never do that. Wait, I think this is like a parkour,
Just
guys. Am I
whispering
crazy?
to take subs.
There's no way that wasn't a million.
Yo, there's a spot behind the waterfall.
Yeah, I think we need to do a double jump to get there.
We need like
Like 11,000 stars.
How did you do that?
Watch this.
I didn't jump.
Secret shop.
Well, I cannot go
Wait, what if this is just a peak spot?
Oh, fuck.
I'm Minecraft parkour.
I see.
Oh, and you know that the good fucking birds are up here, dude. You know that the
I'm gonna go to the lava town. Oh, I gotta go to the lava town.
Anyone?
Oh, holy shit.
Excuse
Does that
me.
feel as good for you as it felt for me?
Hey, Chibli.
Oh, they got the Easter Island hat up
Ryan.
here. Oh, but it's not fun.
Chat, should I go upgrade again? I got 5 grand.
Oh, that's Corey. That's not Chibli. That's Corey.
What's up? You're up top?
Oh, this is Chibli.
Oh, that's Chibli. It is Chibli.
I'll take that. I'll take that.
Oh, how'd you get in there?
bro?
It's kind of sick,
Anything
right?
cool in there?
Kind of sick. Whoa!
There's nothing. Wait, they got nothing in here,
Yeah, it
bro.
fucking
What the
sucks
fuck?
in here, bro.
I'm telling you.
You got any whistles?
Nah, it's lit.
I said,
Yeah, I
wait,
got a
there
whistle,
you
I
go,
got a
dead
varied
ahead.
thrush.
stars again.
Look at this guy.
Nah, we got different eyes, bro. I don't know.
What? Look.
Oh,
right
I see
here.
it.
Yeah, I forgot the
The
pointing
yellow
button.
one.
Watch this. Get off my head.
Oh, fuck.
I need
Oh,
I need
shit,
I need
man.
agility here.
Okay.
Why so fast?
One stop. Here we go. I didn't stop until I was.
Wait, I think I get bonus points if you're in the photo too.
Wait, I'll get close. I'll get close. I'll creep.
Yeah. Let it shit on you.
Oh, okay.
I got a star.
Oh.
My neck, my back, my front, and my flying.
Excuse me?
I'm just reading the rubric that they have, Kate.
Shop.
Don't take a
Okay, this is the risky jump here. He might fly away.
I feel like a Voya
Now let me
or
do I
Bubba.
spend my money? Do I spend my rack on appearance?
Oh my god. it's-
I got some good shots, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I think
Huge.
I just made millions, bro. I think I'm retiring off
Oh
that.
my god, look at this. Okay, I got a hat.
Bro's
Yo, check
reading.
out my hat. Check out my hat, everyone.
that's-
Damn!
I've never fought
Isn't
for
it
anything
kind
in my
of
life.
sensitive to have a feather?
A shiny uncommon bird has spawned.
Oh,
Yes.
yikes.
But where?
God, I'm in the wrong category.
Someone is doing bird. Is someone doing actual bird calls or is that a whistle?
Quack quack.
Oh, that's fake.
This is a Matt Johnson hat. Wait.
There's no way I wasn't crazy.
That's the fucking lad right there. That's the fucking lad. I'm gonna have him eaten out of the palm of my fucking hand.
Northern flicker. I
Twin
think this shiny
bee.
bitch is gonna be a pop again.
Dude, I just got a 2-in-1. I just got a 2.
No
Could be
shot.
huge. No, I got multiple. I got multiple.
Northern yellow warbler.
That's
Oh.
the difference between a casual mahjonger and a triple yellow.
Oh, okay, okay.
You think that I ranked up to Master 3-star?
People
Come
moved
on,
on from that other island too fast, man. I'm telling you, where it's at.
You catch any shinies on the default island?
You know, hey, good job.
No. It's
Now
all in the
there's
special.
only
There was
way
one
to
on the
fall
other
down.
island over here.
Hey,
Smart.
Hey, what is that? We
Smart.
can crank up still.
I'm upgrading my camera. I'm going to 8x zoom.
Now
I'm on that.
Oh, you taking a picture! I took a picture.
Stop blocking the bridge!
No, we're gonna, dude. We have a new business idea. We're gonna charge a toll for the bird watching. You have to pay a toll to get across the bridge. Didn't really work out though. We kind of had the moves on us.
Wait, that's kind of
I
sick.
hear the. I don't even.
Wait, Ryan, I have a question.
Yeah?
Two swans going.
Who is Bob Balaban? Who is Bob Balaban?
He's an actor. He's an actor with male pattern baldness that often plays meek bureaucrats.
Are they?
Oh, like what's the Norwood scale?
Five.
Really? That's not great.
Everyone is upstairs.
He ain't coming back. Let's put it that way.
Dude, I think I am coming back because I've been drinking protein. I think I was just deficient in protein.
I mean, it's probably happened.
Chip,
That
are
is
you
like
getting
one of the
yolk?
stages of cope, though, for sure.
No, yeah, but like the if I'm like delusional in a good way, like I don't mind. I think.
Yeah? Delude this, bro. Okay, if I stop making so much fucking noise. Watch this.
Only
Most
one of us
beautiful
are talking.
picture of all time is coming right here. I threw down some fucking seeds right there.
Yo, nice, dude, nice.
And then we just fucking wait.
I've never seen the bird. go
Dude,
to
you
the
look
sea.
so funny. You crouched. It's so.
I'm just a small little guy.
3,000.
I gotta develop
Are there
these
birds? Birds? Any birds?
I got seeds right here.
Nah, I'm playing
Seeds
this
on
game
me?
all wrong, bro. I just want to take photos of my friends.
Cheese?
Taking pictures of people.
Oh, that's a Canadian goose. Ah!
Oh my God, there's a whole flock or formation. What do you call it? We got Canadian geese over here, bro. I don't know. Oh,
Oh, shit. Oh my
Oh yeah,
god.
this dude.
oh, right there.
It's beautiful.
I got
Trying to
flying
get
shot.
pictures of this guy.
I got a flying shot. It's pink. Oh, right behind us. You just stood on a bird. bro.
No, fuck.
I think you
flying
just
shot.
stomped one out, man.
Give me something good, man. Give me enough to upgrade zoom again.
That's $5,000 again. I'm gonna go upgrade my
I need to
camera
sell my crap.
4 times.
Oh my fucking god! I
30
can't
bucks.
see
You're
the
having a
bird,
laugh, man.
Are you blind?
dude. No, but
Yeah, I need like 20x zoom on this crap.
Dude, we're literally just farming. Just take shots of the birds that are flying through the air. $100 each. Get up to 12x zoom.
Not listening.
I
In
feel like I
10
am
minutes,
playing
they're
this
gonna be
wrong.
like, "How did you get so much money? Like, how is your camera so
Dude,
good?"
I spam 10, I go turn it in, I spam turn them in. Wait, you're actually right. This is meta. I don't know if I'm taking a picture of a stick or an eagle.
Oh my god, I'm literally
Oh, this
rich.
strat is so good.
Ryan, this is insane. Ryan, I've just made like $2 grand in like 20 seconds.
And then I'm gonna go back and get better zoom. I'll be right back.
Yeah, huge.
I'm gonna be on my fourth
Motherfucker.
camera. I have 6,400. I need a little bit more.
What?
What? He's beating our strat by actually playing the game?
Yeah, I don't know what he's doing.
I haven't bought any clothes.
What,
That's
what
smart.
is the what's the cost for the second zoom upgrade? Is it 58? 58
I think it's
thou?
like 3,000.
Okay, 3,000.
Something like that. 3,600.
We're kind of trespassing, huh?
We are.
Oh, I feel like I'm harassing this bird.
Oh! I almost just fucking fell.
Oh, gorgeous photo. That had to.
Wait,
I
Flock.
get one.
Look where I'm looking. Flock.
Okay, I gotta turn these in and it's flocking
Dude,
time.
I just wasted all of mine. Hang on.
I got them in my sights. I'll
All
ping.
my,
Thanks for
all
the
of my
ping.
photos are worth $10, bro. We're polluting the market.
Is this the hot spot?
I'm buying again.
There's a flock.
No?
Where?
Oh my god, they were worth $1 each.
Seagull?
Yeah, I don't know about this mitter anymore. I think maybe like if you get close ones, maybe.
Okay,
I'm going over here though. I feel like over
Wait, there's a hidden cave.
Are you okay?
We've just been turning in.
Oh, there's a hidden shop.
There's a goose up there.
That's
With
where you
the
buy Tango.
parkour.
Low-key, you can kind of farm like this guy flying at us in the air right now.
Is there fall damage?
Shh, mother, shh.
I don't think so.
Not
That was-
gonna lie,
that was a
kind
good-
of pushed him away.
That was a good fucking round. That was a good fucking
Guys,
round.
look where I am. What the
I
fuck?
don't know what Kate is.
Hi.
He's
What
under
the
you.
fuck?
You said to look where you are.
I know, but it's supposed to be a parkour.
Oh, I just fell.
Wait, now we're fucking popping, bro.
My film
do we
capacity
have
is an
whistles
auto
for the American
high.
robin, Anna's hummingbird, or the chickadee, or the blue jay?
green hummingbird.
Oh,
Okay.
fuck yeah. Okay.
Now we can farm some good photos. Oh shit.
Oh, yeah.
I can take off
Dude, that bird and I, we just became best friends.
You should be able to put seeds in your hand and then like have the bird eat out of it. Whoa, what is this beast?
Oh, the 3-star
Look
flyer.
at look at that one in the tree
Yeah.
behind us, but be careful.
Tree behind us. The
Yeah.
big one?
Shh, crouch. It's on the other side of this branch right here.
Oh, okay.
You see this thing?
Oh, he's beautiful.
No,
Oh my
you
God.
fucking scared him!
I'm scared. You were talking at the same volume.
I
dude.
saw your volume go red!
Oh my. Okay, that's on me. Sorry, the devs were trying to talk to me in my via the game, and I got scared.
Oh yeah, it happens.
It happens. It happens. Oh. Oh yeah. This is what it's about.
Oh, that's money right there.
Oh, woodpecker.
Okay, I'll see you down there.
Yeah. Guys, I have Pink Island all to myself, man.
Ryan, how's it going?
It's actually kind of bad up here.
I just made
There's a woodpecker like going.
You want to spend all of our stars on unlocking a new biome that other people don't know exists yet?
Giga, the
Yeah.
statue's $1,000.
Are you kidding me?
I swear on my life, I just got $1,000 for the statue.
For the statue? Is it like a?
Yeah.
What's the
maybe
statue?
each
It's
secret-
first time
maybe each
discovery.
secret. Oh, look, blackbird. I'll ping.
Oriole.
Oh shit.
Bollock Oriole.
Damn, back shots.
Yeah. This one's a shy one.
Ball bats and Paul.
It fucking talked to me.
We had to
I'm out of money, bro.
207 stars.
Got him. Dude, I gotta take a picture of that statue. You said $1,000?
Next one.
Yeah, I got $1,000 for the statue.
What the hell? I got a parkour again?
Yeah.
Here, I want to follow too.
Alright, it's
Yeah,
ready.
yeah,
it's ready.
you
Ready?
park around
Oh.
Okay, check this. Check this. Secret
You got this,
area
bro.
unlocked.
Oh, that's your.
I fucking fell. I think it's only worth taking a picture of a bird once. Because you get the first time bonus and then that's it.
This is this. Oh shit. He's so distinguished.
But you gotta get like every angle of them 3 stars.
Really?
Yeah.
Two birds, one shot.
I feel like you guys have super hearing and I don't.
Fuck ass.
I'm still alone in that shit.
Same
Hey,
shot.
wait, don't leave. I'm joining y'all.
Okay, that's
I hear the hummingbird again.
Do you know that if we get 17 more stars, we can unlock the sandy button?
Oh!
Excuse
okay.
you!
it's impossible to
no,
get
it's
3 stars on
And
a
there's a
small ass
hummingbird.
bird, dude.
Ooh,
Have
there's
you
the
seen
hummingbird.
this
Oh, the hummingbird.
No.
Okay, I'll tell you where it is for $9.99. I'm selling it just for $1,000.
Oh.
Sorry,
sorry.
Wait,
Sorry,
this
my
is
bad.
the statue.
Yes.
You park over there. There's
You
a
get
whole
money
open
for this?
area, and then there's a freaking
Yo.
Easter Island head like statue. You take a photo of it.
I feel like I'm in a
$1,000.
museum.
Fly away.
Oh, thank you. Well, how do you get there?
Yeah.
I have to parkour?
You gotta jump to those like 2
fuck.
rocks down there, and you just climb
Oh.
up.
Oh shit.
Yeah, you
Okay.
got this.
Good thing I'm wearing my overall.
Ah.
Yeah, easy.
No.
Nice
No.
224 stars.
Damn it.
So I can afford a better camera.
The fuck?
The Statue of Legend, and there's a hummingbird up. There's geese in the air right now.
Impossible.
How many people could stack? Could we stack like 10 people?
Okay.
You can stack on me.
Farm stars, bro. I farm
Oh, yo.
stars.
Yo,
The way to
nice.
get the angles? Okay, what if you walk?
Okay.
Wait, do you think we can get into an R-rated movie if we put a trench coat over us?
Yep.
Maybe.
Yes.
But
I'm
is
here.
this the angle strat?
I don't know.
Oh, I'm staying on your head. Wait, it works.
Yo, let's go. I can actually move this time. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Oh my god.
I'm out of
Oh my God,
film.
it was on your head.
Yeah, I gotta go. I gotta go
Oh,
get some.
ow. I got
Statue.
2 shots.
Oh,
This
statue.
statue's cool.
This is gonna be huge.
You got the statue?
I did. Thank you. Thank you for the intel. I got $4,000. Yes.
Dude, I got a 4-star photo.
No shot.
That gave me $100.
Was it shiny?
It was 3 birds. Oh wait, never mind. It wasn't 3 stars. I didn't realize the stars were at the top. Okay, I got a 0-star photo.
Fuck it. Give me
I
a
got a 0-star.
ruby crowned kinglet. Give me a varied thrush female whistle. Give me some fucking beige seeds. I need beige seeds right now.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm going for that 20x zoom, man.
That's smart. That's a smart play.
Yeah, I'm going for the
Lens.
zoom. I saw that MKBHD reviewed the third zoom upgrade recently. It's pretty cool.
You're right.
I feel like half of these photos would be the most
I thought it was good. I thought it was a good joke.
Yeah, I'm not covering my mouth right now. It's good.
you.
I like bird.
Maybe birds are kind of awesome.
Like in my ear, dude. I
Yeah,
thought-
this is genuinely nice. Yo, the calls sound real.
The marsh biome.
The marsh biome.
Where did they spend? They spent all our stars.
I don't think it's a spending thing. I think it's just like a
Marsh,
good thing.
marsh, 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 marsh.
Go go go.
The marsh?
This is like
No, it's not that. It's not that. Hold on.
Turn around, bird.
Yeah.
Oh, I see the cattails. I see.
Yeah, dude. I opened it. I opened it up.
That's a rare legendary duck.
I think dogs always look like that.
problematic.
What?
They got ducks in here.
They got ducks
Oh.
in here.
I have to have just made tens of thousands, bro.
Where's the
Swan.
butt? I need the butt of the
1-star photo. You're having a
Swan,
laugh. I'm not
bro.
even kidding.
Is this the damn marsh?
Yeah.
That's the dang marsh.
Certainly looks very marshy.
2 stars! Holy fuck.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Oh, they don't let you go into the water. I can't even go in if I'm.
Unbelievable shot.
That's a derpy ass bird, man.
the stress when you see them priming themselves.
It's landing! It's landing! Oh my god.
Get out, Ghibli, get out the shot, mate.
I think you get more money if I'm in it. Creeping this way.
I need to see the butt.
TMZ spotted Ghibli next to a swan.
Show me your butt. Yes!
Hey, get a room.
I think it's gonna attack me, bro. Why is it eyeing me up?
I need 13K to upgrade my camera.
Yeah, sure, just yell. Bro's out in the marsh yelling about economic conditions.
I'm on the other side of the goddamn island from your ass.
Scared the damn swan away, man.
It's right there.
Tough lesson to learn.
You see this beast? Oh, shit.
Alright, I can buy them.
2 beasts.
475 stars. Next area.
Oh my god, the photo of Ghibli.
They're in love.
Ghibli, you were worth $600.
What the hell?
Yeah.
Hey, just spawn me.
You were.
Wait, let's see. Okay.
Next area.
I
snooze?
12x zoom now, dude.
Holy shit.
Snooze?
Pray again. You've taken that thing like 100 times.
I'm bumping around. There's gotta be a way to upgrade.
Could be bigger in frame, motherfucker.
No, they're real picky, dude. I don't really like this industry. Like, they're like, who the fuck do they think they are?
That's a crazy shot. Whoa, lifer, first bufflehead ever.
Ah!
Oh my god.
Damn, I'm kind of fucking loaded, man.
That was huge. I'm gonna make.
Marsh is goated, bro.
1 star. You're yanking me, bro.
Could be in the last area for all we know.
I can't believe the swan was on my head, dude. Did it poop on me?
Oh,
Sorry,
no,
sorry.
that might have been me, bro.
I ran.
I think if a swan pooped on you, you might know.
Dude, what if we take a photo of this
Holy
and then you will give us $1,000?
Oh,
Yes, I finished a swan.
that's a 5-star photo. Not even kidding.
You finished
Guys, take a
this
photo
one?
of this. It's $1,000.
Yeah, 3 for everyone.
Guys.
What?
Take a photo of the mural. It's $1,000.
Rary.
Oh yeah.
The fuck is? Oh, I
Point
thought
of
I saw a
interest.
seagull, dude. It was a. Oh,
Oh, it's on you, dude.
No shot.
Oh! It was on you for a second. Now it's back in the. Oh my god, I gotta. That was a beautiful moment. That was genuinely.
bro, this game's so unrealistic, man.
It's
I
like
feel
Bernie
these dudes
Sanders.
Be tearing us apart, IRL, bro. They'd be
How
tearing
come
us
the
apart.
1% of seeds get 99% of the birds?
Stop.
on him.
Stop.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck.
Oh my god.
White life is beautiful. Never
Oh my
kill
God.
yourself.
0 stars for that.
Yeah.
Actually, never.
Does it look like I'm smoking?
Wait, what happened?
It was a
Oh my
swan
god, that
on
was
Ryan's
beautiful. That was beautiful.
Oh my god, I'm
That
catching
shit
those
is gonna have a broken
in,
neck.
dude. I'm catching those in.
I hope I got the front.
Honestly, it didn't give me shit for it.
Dude, I'm hitting so many stars. Rare, perfect.
How much was it
pose.
worth? How much was it worth?
Hold on. I'm gonna see. I got a Canada goose. I've got 1,000 trumpeter swans. So many. Okay, bufflehead on your head, 450.
Oh shit.
Okay, and the trumpeter swan on your head, 117.
Dude, how can I get any?
$9.
Not too bad. Not too bad.
That's messed up. Dude, I got so much money. Oh my god.
And who
From
got you that
swan,
money?
I'm like rich. I'm like 10,000 dude. Let's go.
The mural.
Weird ass bird on me.
On you?
Close by.
On his ping.
Oh yeah.
Trying to kill me. I'm scared. Oh, there's some good photos of this.
Can you see it?
What the hell? He's on your head. He's on your head.
For a bit flying away, I think.
No, let's go.
Wait.
In the tree. Eagle.
Ghibli's head, an osprey on Ghibli's head. Yes. Let's frame it and put it above the fireplace. It's so good. They're only
Did I fucking take,
but
dude?
that's okay.
I'm out here birding.
Yes. Where's the eagle?
Eagle. Eagle on me.
How to get one in motion? That's in motion. W
You are
motion.
blocking me 100,000%.
Oh my god, shut the fuck up.
Eagle on me, guys. Eagle on me.
Is she on me?
No, no, it's in the tree right there.
Oh shit! That was just on my head, bro. I think it tried to kill me.
What the fuck? You're lucky to be alive.
Bro, these things kind of move like this in South Park.
That was a crazy shot, bro. It was a trick shot.
Oh, yeah.
Who does Merganger?
10K.
You should have bunny hopping and birding, man.
The hell?
It fits. They're both animals. Osprey.
Whenever a bird lands, I feel like genuine.
Not this
So
one.
competitive.
That one's pretty good.
Crazy.
This was supposed to be the money maker, bro.
I thought that would be 3-star.
That's a beautiful fucking picture right there. And then motherfucker. It's alright, man. Nothing some beige seeds can't
Oh,
fix.
it's a different swan. What's up?
You gotta scare the fucking bird.
Do they fly? Yeah.
Oh, you said it like a...
Classic birder. The classic birder behavior.
That's not true, that's not true.
Can you keep it down, please? It's fucking the mountain from the Machikoro box art, bro.
Well, you take all the pictures of them not flying, and then you go like, and then
Oh my god.
I found an ugly duckling. We got like...
you looking at Chiblee and saying that?
Oh my god.
Wait, how did you move your face down like that? How did you see him move his face down?
Come back.
Oh, dude, how, ew! Oh, is that when you look down?
Bro, come back. Come back. He's in the branch.
That's really good. Where's Ryan? I gotta get down Ryan.
Look at this little guy. Look at this little guy.
It's too loud for it.
I don't think they even care about volume.
You see your eyeball? Okay, that was kind of awesome. Did he eat my damn seeds, man? He's a name trainer. Oh, sorry. 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 Still kind of worth it.
Have all these?
3-star in there? All I take is 3-star, bro.
No, 416. We're almost in the next area.
Damn, I'm fucking loaded. I've got an incredible idea, and nobody believes in me, which is gonna make it so awesome when this works out. Oh wait, you guys can hear me?
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm in Pinktown.
Okay.
Come on up. I got a great idea.
Okay.
I might need to farm a little bit first, though.
I'm in the pig town.
All right, one moment. I'll be right there.
Oh, yeah, I see you.
I need to farm briefly. Tell me if you see a bird.
Oh my god, I think I see it. It's an ugly duckling.
What the fuck? Oh, look. Oh, it's a beautiful swan. It's a beautiful swan. Wow, what are the odds? What's your zoom percentage?
6.
Oh, you gotta up that before you become part of my heist.
What the hell?
I'm
What's
on
yours?
12.
Well,
12. What the hell are they doing down there? They're disrupting my cozy game. All right, Kate, where'd you go? You're right there? The spot where you just were?
why is it still 10? Why is it still 10?
18K, man.
I leveled up. I leveled up, but why is it 10?
Maybe you go 6 to 10, then to 12. Okay, see where I am and see where I'm looking? There's an absolutely beautiful picture right here.
Oh my god, you're right.
They be doing that. They call that a woodcock?
It's on me. It's on me.
Kate, this is us.
Aww.
I'm the one with the eyebrow.
Oh. You must have farted.
Then we turn those in and then get ready because we're about to make probably $10,000. It was worth nothing. Those were worth nothing. They're the most beautiful pictures anyone's ever taken.
Spent 13K to upgrade my camera.
$154.
It was worth nothing. It's a sick joke.
$12, $8, $10, $9, $8,
Show me them angles.
$10,
It's not moving, man.
Okay, that is not
Oh,
For you.
I didn't know. It was too late. It flies so fucking weird, man.
Someone's getting cut from the thornberry.
All right, Kate, you ready?
I
Yeah?
hope it's
Okay,
Nigel.
watch this, okay?
Why did I think 20?
Listen, they all count. They all count. Yeah, we need like 30 more stars. Osprey in the tree. Osprey in the
I needed to see back. Look away, look away. Like every time.
He's so fast with the back.
Yes.
What does the next camera even get you?
Kate, there's one on your foot. Don't move.
I think that's just for
There's one on my foot.
customization. Yeah,
It's
these
the most beautiful bird I've ever seen.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
Yeah, these are just for
How do I
customization,
film?
I think. I love that. Oh, well, I guess the 475. We've had roundable rocks stuck in your head all day. Yeah, hold on.
Yes, yes, yes. It worked.
Roundable rock.
Fuck, double my money. Let's go.
I needed the hummingbird. I ran out of film.
Oh, no.
It's kind of insane. Or 3 cars.
That was good, though, right?
Inside.
The fuck is this, man?
Whoa, whoa. Yeah, we did it.
We got it.
Yeah, I had it.
Contact.
Fall bio.
Oh, how can I get even better than that?
What kind of bird we got?
Are they playing like... They're playing like drum and bass music down there? Like, what's going on?
There's some weird ass pink bird in this wood tower.
I make some money.
Kate, I have a bird on my head. He's looking. I think you got the right whistle. It's really loud. Why does this one have the bandana that Dan always wears from the Karate Kid?
Oh, it's the woodpecker.
Sitting in the rear facing
Oh, shit.
wagon seat, flipping off the car behind. Like,
Oh shit, and he's pecking?
like flipping them off and like hiding.
I think these birds are cheap.
Yeah, we gotta go to a new biome, I think.
Did you get all the biome from the what's it, pond area?
Let me check. Let me turn in these photos and check. Kind of loaded. No, haven't done too well on the. Well, maybe I got pictures of everything. Yeah.
How do you have everything of the woodland?
No, woodland. I'm missing Anna's hummingbird and the bullshit,
Excuse me?
and Rufus's hummingbird.
I'm missing so much.
I just be snapping.
What the hell?
Getting on like 30 FPS in this game.
Belt kingfisher?
Let me see. Belt kingfisher from the woodland.
No. The
from the
pond
marsh.
area.
That's like my thing.
Dude, oh my gosh, the trumpeter swan. I have you on the photo.
Wait, I haven't even looked at that. How can you check the photos that you've got in the guidebook? Oh, you click on them. Oh.
Yeah. And then for the mute swan, I got Chibli in it.
Wait, what do you not have from this area? Do you have everything?
No, I got like nothing.
What are you missing?
I am missing black-headed grosbeak, calipe, hummingbird, and then I'm missing purple finch. I'm missing a lot of like the side views.
Wait here, watch this. I'm literally gonna get you one.
Oh, is there fall damage?
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
What is this horrific sound, by the way?
Yeah, he just scared all the birds away.
I don't know.
Okay, now wait, just wait. Just for it.
That's good value. What is this? What is this? It's like a rough grouse.
Just give it a sec.
There's a pink one. Do you see the pink one?
There's a bird on your fucking head.
No. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's looking at me.
A Peking duck?
I want the big bird to fly.
Is there a difference between Beijing and Peking duck?
It ain't flying.
Oh, really? I don't know. I think it's just the old name for Beijing. Oh, dude, I think it's just
It ain't flying.
Oh wait, it's here.
Here, where's...
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's on your head, don't move. Okay, stop it.
Looks so happy. Shiny bird.
Where's Aisha?
Where I'm pointing up in the air. They ate our freaking seeds.
I needed to fly. Yes!
What a shot.
That has to be
What
good.
a shot.
That has to be good. That has to be good. Where did our seed go?
I think they despawned.
Learn how to say whole gop seed. That's Cantonese for I have to poop.
Come on. Give me something good here. Oh. The common raven.
It's on you! It's on you! It's on you! Damn it!
Oh,
Purple
there he
fish.
goes.
Look at the bakery and stuff. But all the Hong Kong bakery stuff has like a weird.
This guy's talking about Chinese bakery. Is it a bird or like a horse?
Sweetness to everything.
Black-headed grosbeak was on you, dude.
Oh shit. Apparently there's more parkour to do up here. I'm gonna give it a shot.
Birds in this tree. 2 different birds in this tree. Oh, the bird flew away.
No, I did a job.
Oh no. or parkour to do top of pink. Did you know our daughter was telling me about parkour civilization today? She literally said if you miss the jump, you get put in prison in parkour civilization. And I said, yeah, I know. I'm familiar with the meme. Oh, there she is. There she is.
No, every time.
Off the tree across the waterfall. They're saying off the tree across the waterfall. Awesome. Kate, don't bother.
Okay. Okay.
I'm on level 5 right now.
It's kind of a crazy shot, though.
That's 14x.
It's kind of a beautiful shot.
I wonder if upgrading this scrapbook. That's a damn pigeon down there.
Anybody unlock this forest realm for me?
Where did you go?
Well, one second. I'm about to take the worst. Oh shit!
Where are you high up or are you down low?
I'm on the rocks over top of the waterfall.
Oh, you're right under a pigeon.
What the hell? How did you get there?
Chat lied to me.
I'm fucking doing all the poses. No.
Now fly.
What? Is it through the tree?
Yeah, you gotta go up on the branches.
No, it's okay. He's a carrier pigeon.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh.
Hey, are you two not with us because you're on a date?
What the hell, man?
You gotta get way closer, man.
Oh god.
You away from.
Okay.
Come on, look at me.
Are you two not with us because you're on a date?
Yes, I'm
You
here.
talking to me?
I'm here.
But there's an invisible wall.
We were speculating on what you were doing.
Oh.
Wait, jump. Just keep jumping. We'll boost ourselves up.
I don't think that's how it works.
Imagine.
You saw, we're here.
Well, I'm coming to find you. Hello. We were speculating that y'all were on a date and none of us wanted to intrude.
You guys unlocked the fire area.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we're in the autumn area
Oh
now.
shit. I'm en
Yeah.
route. I mean, we were just seed maxing up here, to be honest with you.
Yo, fair, absolutely fair. All right, I'll see you in the autumn.
Yes,
See you in the
I'm
autumn.
joining the
Whee!
Oh, they're gone.
back.
What the hell? Yeah, no birds showed up.
Bird identifier. Seems like that could be like insanely good. Can you upgrade your binoculars so much that they turn into a... Oh shit, wait, that would be awesome. Highlight birds. Then we could be like Lethal Company, you could be a spotter.
Go!
Through there?
Go! Go!
They're not all like...
Wait, I like that. I'm autumnal. Born under pumpkins. Turn. Turn. Let me see you from the front.
It appeared? Whoa! I only saw the first one that appeared. I haven't seen any since.
Come
I
on.
need that
Come on.
flying.
Come on. Talk to me, baby.
There got to be stuff up there.
Guys, I'm about to do something crazy.
You ran on a bird!
Cheap!
Yeah, but look at all the streets I put down. We're about to get like 1,000 of them,
There's crows across the way over here.
There's some birds.
Cheap! Got him.
There's 20 seeds on the ground. There has to be something.
Yeah, show me that ass. Yeah.
Told ya.